Inside a smart contract, you can define various methods that handle certain business logic. Some methods will be ABI methods that are exposed to the Arc32 ABI so that they're callable from the outside. But what about internal methods that shouldn't be exposed to the ABI and only be used as utility methods internally? We call these subroutines, and you can define them using the subroutine decorator. Any method decorated with the subroutine decorator will not be externally available and only internally available. Let's look at this code example. Here we have a method named internal method decorated with the subroutine decorator. This method won't be exposed to the API, so it won't be callable from the outside. To call the internal method, you can do so by referencing that internal method with self, so self.internal method, and you call that method just like how you would internally call another class method in Python. Subroutines are great for defining utility methods that are used repeatedly in various methods in the contract or for defining methods that handle complex logic.